Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get presets on Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, we have the trending, following, music and video. We have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. In the top side of the screen, we have the search bar, feed, discover, services, and the library. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get presets on Bandlab. Launch Bandlab on your computer or mobile device and go to your project and select the track that you want to add presets to. Then after that, click on the FX button at the bottom left of the screen. You'll see a list of available presets. Click on one to apply it to your track. If you want to create your own preset, click on Add Effect and adjust the setting to your liking. Once you're happy with it, save the presets for future use. Bandlab offers a variety of presets for different instruments and vocals, so you can experiment and find the perfect sound for your project. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.